I'm aptitude trainer from DCPT department. So I will discuss on the topic of coding and decoding. So first of all, what is coding decoding? So coding and decoding used to transfer data. So for example, a person A send data to a person B. So first of all, person A will code data. So in a certain way, so no one will come to know that what is written on this particular data. So this is known as a encoding. So first of all, this data which is coded in certain way, that is encoding. So then he or she sent to person B. So person B then decode that data, so that is known as the decoding. So this is basically to prevent the data from getting corrupt and leaked. So this is the main reason for coding decoding. For example, I will give you one example that what is the code of A, B, C. So someone can say that 1, 2, 3. So this is code. Maybe this is code, maybe 2, 3, 4 is code of ABC. So this is depend on your previous code. For example, is given is D, E and F. So code of D, E, F is given is 5, 6, 7. So means D is on fourth position, but code is given is one extra, that is 5. E is on fifth, code is 6. So one extra. So you can't say that 1, 2, 3 are code of ABC. So in this case, code of ABC is 2, 3, 4. So you can't say what is will be code of ABC. So this is depend on code of previous number. So first we will start with simple concept. So first of all, you have to remember the position of all the alphabet. So it's better, for example, given is A is on 1, B is on second, C is on third, fourth, so on. So simple concept to remember is only remember which number is on fifth, which one is on 10th, means E is on fifth, then 10th is J, O is on 15th, then T is 20, and Y is on 25. So you have to remember only these five alphabet. So position of these five alphabet is more than sufficient. So this is known as the concept of EJOTY, means E is on fifth, then 10th, 15, 20, and last one is 25. So you don't have to remember a position of all these 26 alphabet. So next one is opposition position of alphabet. So how to find opposition position of alphabet? So for example, A is 26, B is from and we start. So always remember, if you find the opposition position of alphabet, then remember the sum of these two number is always equal to 27. For example, A is on first position, first plus 26 is 27. 1 plus 26, or B is on second position 2, and B is written is 25. So this is equal to 27. So this is the best way to find the opposite position of alphabet. For example, question is find the opposition position of J. Number is given is J. So we know that this is position of 10. So this position and opposite position, you can write down O, is equal to is 27. Means to find opposition position, 27 minus position of J, that is on 17. So 17 will be answer. So 17 means you, otherwise you can write down number. For example, if I'm counting from backside, so J will be on 17th position. So if we are talking about alphabet, which one alphabet will be on 17th position, then 15 is on O, then P, then Q will be on 17th position. Means J and Q are on opposite position. For example, this is on 10th position, from left, and Q is on 10th position from the right side. So these are opposite. For example, next one is given as opposite. A is opposite of Z, B is opposite of Y. So similar, you can say that J is opposite of Q. Any number, to find opposite of any number. So first of, for example, you find the opposite of T. So 27 minus 20, because position of T is 20, so you will get 7. So 7 will be E is on 5, F and G, so answer will be G, opposite answer. So for coding decoding, first of all, remember this concept. This is most important. These position of these 5 alphabet, then opposite position of alphabet. So these are the most important things. So next we will start with type. So type of coding decoding. So first type is letter coding, then number coding, and then mix coding and symbol coding. So we will start with question. So first we start with question from letter coding. So letter coding is which contain only alphabet, or you can say that letter. So champion is given as a code, and you have to find the code of negative. So champion is given the code. Okay, so champion is given, ch is given is, and you have to remember how this code champion become this code, how this champion become this one. So always remember, first find the logic. So logic is ch is written as hc. So in pair, they are interchanged in the form of pair. Then am will become ma, then pi become ip, then on become no. So this is interchange in the form of pair. So first two alphabet are ne, so this can be written as en, first two. Then next two are ga, so ga can be written as ag. So next two are ti, ti are written as it. Next two are given as ve, so ve is written as ev. So this will be code of this number. So code of this number is, option is 1, en, ag, it and ev. So answer of this question is a first. Now is answer is 1. Then next question is uh, Kindle is coded as a this code, and you have to find the another code exotic. So Kindle is, how this Kindle become this code. So first is k is on last, then I is on second last, n is third last. So on means Kindle is reverse, written in reverse order. So similar, this word should be written in reverse order. So start with C, then I, then T, then O, then X, then E. So this will be code. So this is written in reverse order. So for this, so answer will be for question in this one is CITOXE. So answer is 4 for this question number second. Fourth answer. Then third question. So in third question is certain code languages, this 35796 is written as 44887. So how, first we have to find out how 3 become 4. So 3 become first because 3 and this become 3 4. So the 3 is plus 1, so this become 4. How 5 can become 4? Because the second one is also 4, so this is minus 1, so that's why 5 become 4. Next one is 7. So how 7 become 8? So again this is plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then how 9 become 8? 9 become 8 because of minus 1. Then again is how 6 become 7. So 6 becomes 7 is plus 1. So this sequence is written in the form of plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 so on. So in first question, first will be plus 1, so 4 will be written as 5. 6 is minus 1, so 6 will be 5. Then 8 is plus 1, and it will be 9. 2 will be minus 1, it will be 1, and 4 will be plus 1, and this will, 3 will be plus 1, that is 4. So answer will be 55914. So for this question is 55914. So answer is B for this third question. Answer B. B. Next one is question number 4. Certain code 20 is written as 863985. So 12 is written as 323039. Sorry, 11 is written as this code, and you have to find out 12, how 12 is written. So first one is T. T is written as 8. This W is written as 6, so on. E is written as 3. So first we need is for 12 is need is T. So T is written as 8. First one is 8. Or you can eliminate, or for example, in these four options all are 8, so you don't have to find out T. There is no need for find out this. Then 6 and 3 all are common, so you have to find out last 3, because only last 3 in all four options are different. So we will start from third last is L. So code of L is, L is, where is L? L is this, second number is L. So second number is written as 2. So L is 2. So which contain 2? Only one. This contain 2. This is 9, this is 5, this is 0. So means answer is first one. This is shortcut method, and we can find another also. B, for example, B. B is third from the last, and third from the last is 0. So B is 0. And then last is E. E from third is from starting, and this is written as 3. So write down 3 means 203. Last 3 digits are 203. So you have to find out only which those are different. So ignore those number which are same in all four options. Answer is 1. Next, this is known as mix coding. So previous question is from number coding, now is mix coding. So in mix coding is this NITCO, this is represent to one word from this. Maybe this is softer, maybe this is code of then, maybe this is code of flower. We don't know the code of this first number. Similarly, second and third, 3 these word and 3 these code. So for this you have to find out first is common. For example, first these 3, and this is softer than flower, and in third is sweet flower fragrance. So flower is common in these two, so write down common. Flower is common. Flower is contained in this one and this one. So code of flower should be same. So you have to find out which code is same. So Tingo is not in first. RHO Tingo is code in first and second. Only Tingo is common. Tingo is common because these two are not common. This is RHO and this is MST. So flower is known as Tingo. So we have to find out fragrance, code of fragrance. We know the flower, and if we know the code of sweet, then we can easily find the code of fragrance. So we have to find out sweet. Sweet is common in this one, second one, and this one, third one. Only common is sweet. So in this Tingo is already RHO and MST. So RHO is not given in these three option, only given is MST. So MST code is sweet, because sweet is common, sweet is MST. So this MST is sweet. So next one is RHO. So RHO is given is code of fragrance. So answer will be first one, code of fragrance is RHO. So this fifth question answer is first one. Next one is sixth question. So this is also from mixed coding. So what stand for R? So we have to find the code of R. So first one is, where is given is R. So R is given is in first R. So if we find the code of book and old, then we can easily find the code of R. So first we find the common in first and second. Second is man is old. So old is common. Which number is common from these two is only 5 is common, because 2, 5, 3 and 5, 4, 6. So means 5 is equal to old. Code of old is 5. Now next one is, if we compare first and last. If we compare first and last, and we find the books are common. Books is given is third also, buy good books, and books are old. So books are common. So code of books will be common. So common in these two is 3. So 3 is common, and we find 3. 3 is books. So we find the code of book and old both, so remaining is R. So R is remaining code, means 2 will be code of R. So answer will be first. So answer will be first 2. Now is next question, question number 7. So in question number 7, so we start with the this language, this certain code language. This is given as 743, means mango are good, then eat good food. The next is mangoes are ripe. So you have to find the code of ripe. So first of all, ripe. So first compare which is common in first and second. What is common in first and second? Mango are good and eat good food. So good is common, and good is given as 7. Next one is mango second and third is nothing is common between second and third. Eat good food in second, and mango are ripe is in third. And so we can say that we compare now is first and third equation. In first and second, third are common are mangoes are, so there should be two number should be same, means common. 3 and 4 are common, means 3 and 4 is out of 3 and 4, one is mango and one is R. So remaining is only is left with 9. So we left with 9, and we left with only word that is right. So code of 9 is you can say that code of ripe is 9. So 9 will be answer. So question number 7 answer will be third, 9. So now is this is last type, that is symbol coding. So in symbol coding, question is orange is written as a particular symbol. So O is written as question mark, R is a symbol of division, then A is symbol of at the rate. So any particular symbol is written. So you have to find the rotate symbol of that rotate. First is R. Where is R is written? O, then second is R. So R is on code, R is division, code of division. So first should be division. So we can eliminate that, but this we can't say that eliminate by, because percentage is given, division is given, question mark given, dollar symbol is given, then these ignore first three. But maybe answer is none of these, so we have to solve from starting. So we can't do like previous question, and we have to start from starting. So next one is O. Code of OD. O is first. First is question mark. O is question mark. Then T. T is this ET in last digit is T. T is dollar, symbol of dollar. Next one is A. A is third. So third is at the rate. Third is A at the rate. Next one is four. Then T again means dollar symbol will be again. Dollar symbol is again. Then last one is E. So E is last symbol means star. So this code is written as division, question mark, and dollar at the rate, star, and this. So answer will be option third. So third will be answer. So one more question. Third is answer. One more question from this uncertain code, that is heat. Heat is written in this particular code, and the finger is written as another code, that ether. Find the code of ether. This. So first we will start with A. A is this one is third one is H E A. A is second last means dollar. So symbol of dollar. We start with okay. After A, next one symbol is T. So T is last. Last means at the rate, at the rate. Then first one is H, and this third one is H. So H is according to first one, question mark. Then next one is after H is E, and H is this E. So after E, code of E is star. Then next one is R, last one is R. So R is in finger is last one is R. R is as. So question number 9. So answer is which option is correct? This dollar at the rate, question mark, star, and as. So option A will be correct for this question. So option A is correct. So next one is question is, this one is very important question, and these are most simple question. So if rain is called water, next one is water is called air, and air is called cloud, and cloud is called sky, then sky is called sea, sea is called road. Okay, so where do the aeroplane flies? And we know that aeroplane fly in sky, so we don't have to. First is sky. So where is sky? Find out. Sky is given is here, but in this question is given is cloud is called as a sky. If something as a cloud, so cloud is known as a sky. Next is sky is called a sea. So if something is known as sky, you can say that thing as a sea. You don't have to say that is sky. So code of sky is sea. So in place of sky, because we know that aeroplane fly in sky, and sky is called sea. So option C. So this is known as C. So just you have to pick out option. So for example, is aeroplane is flying sky. So just look for sky. You have to ignore meaning part. You don't have to remember that rain, water, and another air. So you have to look at only for sky. So sky will be if given is two place, and you have to solve through which is given in the first. For example, in sky, this is written as cloud is called as a sky, but you have to written on where is sky is in the starting. For example, this is sky is called as a sea. Sky, name of sky is sea. Name of cloud is sky. So you don't have to pick that. Some student pick that cloud, but this will be wrong. This one is correct because sky is known as a sea. So sea is where aeroplane flies. So you in this question you don't have to use your own brain that because see most students say that it's not possible for aeroplane to fly in sea. So they just check their option. They check, for example, it's not possible on sea, it's not possible on water, not road, and they can say that this is maybe in cloud. So this will be again wrong. So you don't have to use your own brain. You have to look or look for option. You maybe in question anything is given. Maybe they can say that some boys are girls, some girls are something else. So you have to solve only through the logic of the question. Next one more question. So in this question is if orange are called lemon, orange are lemon, and lemon are called flower, and flowers are is called fish, fish is called tail, tail is called pen, and what is rose? And we know that rose is flower. So, but we have to find out flower. What is flower is known. So flower is called fish. So answer will be fish for this. And I already told that a flower will be given is two times. So you know this one because in this case lemon is called as a flower, not flower. So answer will be fish. So fish is given in option D. So option D will be correct answer. So now is next question. Next question is certain code flower. Flower is coded as 36. So sunflower is coded as 81. So follows. You have to find the follows. Okay. So flowers is sometime maybe, for example, flower is on 6th position and this is on 12th position, 15. Maybe some question they add all these number. So, but if they add all these number and this will be code, so we know that this is only 36. It's not possible to write down because W again will be I think more than 20 and R is also approximate 20. So sum is always greater than 36. So this is not possible that this code is come from the sum of these position of these flower. So you have to think about something else. And this is 36 and this is jump from 36 to 81. So another thing we know about these two things are these are perfect squares. Means for example 36 is power 6 power 2 and this is 9 power 2. So how this become how we are taking this is 9 and this one is 6. So we can easily say that this is contain 6 alphabet. So 6 alphabet, so that means 6 power 2 will be 36 answer. And we check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this also word contain 9 alphabet, 9 power 2 is 81. So code is given in the form of square of number of alphabet. So now we have to find the total number of alphabet or we can eliminate from option. This 42 is not perfect square and 49 is perfect square and this is not and this is also. So answer may be B or D. Another thing is we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 power 2 is 49. So answer will be B. Answer will be 49. And in some question they can solve through, for example, first is sum of these position of these alphabet then divided by 6 means average. So maybe in some question given in this form to find by 6, and in this question they add all these position of these alphabet then divided by 9, sum divided by 9. So this is different from number to number, but in this case not possible. Averages cannot be 81. So a average cannot be 81 means this is not average. And from first question we find that this is not sum. Sum is greater than 36. So means they are not applying the method of sum, or they are not applying the method of average. So they are applying something else. So you have to look for something else method. Next one is question number 13. So in question number 13 is again is the same question. So as first is, if white is called blue, blue is called red, red is called yellow, yellow is called green, green is called black, black is called violet, then violet is called orange, then orange, then what would be color of human blood? So we all know that color of human blood is red, but you can't click on first. That is not answer, correct answer. So first is, what is red known? So find is red. Blue is called red. Blue is known as a red, but red is known as a yellow. Red is called yellow. So answer will be yellow. So color of human blood is yellow. C will be correct answer for this question number 13. Next one is certain code monkey is written in this form. So M to X O to D, there is no logic. So if we start from first to last one, M is become L means minus 1, then O is N, then again minus 1, this is again minus 1, then N is M, then this is minus 1. So means these are written in reverse order and written as a minus 1. So because first one is goes to last one. So we can say that last one is by minus 1 on first, then second one is minus 1 on second. So by similar way, tiger T is minus, then you T minus 1, so you will get R. T minus 1 is, sorry, this one. So R is minus 1, write on first. So when R is minus 1, so we can write on Q because Q are then E. Before E minus 1 is D. Then G minus 1, G minus 1 is F. Then I minus 1 is H. Then T minus 1 is S. So answer is Q, D, F, H, S. So this is answer. So option D is correct one for this question 14. So Q, D, F, H, S. So now is move to next question. So next is question number 15. So in question number 15 is Z is written as a 52, but this is not possible, and because up to is alphabet is up to is 26, so you can't write down Z as a 52. So but we know that z is on 26, and this 26 multiplied by 2 is 52, means this position of this alphabet multiplied by 2 now is act. ACT. Act is A is on first position, then C is on third position, and T is on 20th position. So add these three, then multiply by 2, means this is, and we get so this is I think 19. No, sorry, 20. This is 20 and multiply by 2. This is 24. Multiply by 2 is 48. So we get 48. So means they are applying this logic, sum and multiply by 2. So we have to apply same concept on this bat. So first is bat, write down B A T. So B is 2, then plus 1 plus 20, then multiply by 2, means 23 multiply by 2. So answer will be 46. So option D will be correct. 46 will be answer of this question. So next one is question number 16. 16 is saying TITNA. So these three words are given, and code of these three are given is bring me water. Water is life. So common in between these two are is water. Write down water. So what is the code common between these two? So common is Na. So water is Na. And you have to also find out what you have to find is this one. So now we can compare is second and third. In second and third, common is you can say that is water is life. Nothing is common between second and third. Now we have to compare is second and fourth one. So second and fourth one is life is common. Life is common. We know the code of water, that is Na, and this means is code maybe Jo, maybe Tod. So life is common. So first and fourth means Jo is common in first and fourth one. So means life is Jo. Life is Jo. So we are left with only is. So we are left with only is, and code is left with is Tod. Tod. So code is Tod. So option will be C. So for question number 16, answer will be C, Tod. Next one is question number 17. According to military code, system is written as SYSMET, so on. So we have to find the how the system get SYS, and this code is also contain SYS. So next one we find how this TEM. So TEM they write down is MET, means in reverse order. This means first three are same and last three are in reverse order. So from this one. So this should be applicable on second also. First two should be same, but in this case first two are also in reverse order. In first two are written as reverse order, means on this first system they are also using the reverse order, because SYS reverse order will be also SYS. So this means first three are written in the form of reverse order pair, reverse order. then last three are also in the form of reverse order. So means divided into two part, half is reverse order, then last half is reverse order. So this is also is reverse order, means A E N, then R is also in reverse order, is RER. Done. So divided into two part. So this question is in this is total are alphabet 6. Now this contain alphabet are 8. So means divided into 4 part. Part of 4 part. First two are reverse order. You can write down is CARF. This is reverse part of first one. So reverse part of second one is NOIT. So this is reverse part of second one. So code of this one is CARFNOIT. So option D will be correct for this question. D will be correct. So answer will be D for question number 17. Now is question number 18. So in question number 18 is Madras is written as this code. Madras. So M is written as N, means increase by 1. Second A is also written as B, increase by 1. Every number means increase by 1. D is E. You have to check all these alphabet. Then R is become S and A become B and increasing by 1. S is T. So means according to this code, all is increasing by plus 1. Done. So now is how you can write on Bombay. So B is increasing by 1, C, then O is increasing by 1 is P, M is increasing by 1 is N, B is C, then A is B, then Y is Z. So this will be code of this number. Sometimes they given, for example, if they write down Z in place of Y. So if Z is, so what will be next alphabet of Z? So then you have to write down A. This is circle. So after Z there will be A. After Y is Z, after Z is A. So in this form. So this is CPN, question number 18, CPN, this one, CBZ. So option B will be correct from question number 18. Next one is question number 19. 19 is E is given. E is on fifth position and 5 is given. And this is R. R is, we know that R is on 18th position. And then E is on 5. Then E is on first position. Then this is 4. If we add these numbers, so this will be more than 7. So how they are using 7? So if 18 plus 6, 24 and 28. So this is 28. So but they are using 7. In this case they are using E is on 5 position. They are using only 5. So means 28 divided by 4. So why they are using 4? So you can find from this logic, because these are contain 4 alphabet. So sometime you can find the answer from this solution how they are using 7. So 28 sum is more than, so this is from average. So 7. So now is you have to apply same concept in this dear. D is 4, then 5, then 1, then 80. 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 18 is 28. So 28 now is 4 alphabet divided by 4 is 7. So for this question answer will be 7 divided by 7. So this question answer is B, 7. Now is This one is last question. If air is called green, green is called blue, blue is called sky, sky is called yellow, yellow is called water, water is called pink, then what is the color of clear sky? And we know that color of clear sky is blue. So blue is known as, air is known as green, green is known as blue. So blue is known as sky. So code of blue is sky. So for this question, answer is sky. Done. So answer will be 20th, sky. So next one is, thank you so much.